So if you're chewing gum for a better jawline, you're probably chewing it wrong. I'm chewing it wrong? Yeah, you're chewing it wrong. What's up, IronLion gang? It's your boy Magilian here with another video on how to get better jawline. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to chew gum more effectively if your main purpose for chewing gum is a better jawline. So now a lot of people are used to just chewing it like this or like this. And don't get me wrong, that's still gonna be effective in growing a better jawline and having better definition of a jaw, but it's not the most effective thing to do. So the main reason why we are chewing gum for a better jawline is because we wanna work out the masseter muscle and the hyoid muscle. Specifically, we're gonna be targeting the suprahyoid muscles on top here, this part right here under our jaw. And to be even more specific, we're gonna be targeting the mylohyoid muscle, which is this part right here. The one that if you're not doing it properly, you can end up with a huge double chin. Yeah, that one. So now today, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly chew the gum to have better jawline. And this was actually introduced to me by Mike Mew. Let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're gonna need is obviously some gum. I have some chewed up gum that I have for my intro, which I'll be using again. I had it on a clean surface, so don't judge me. We don't waste stuff here on this channel. So now you take the gum. Now, usually you just chew it up and down, and you switch sides to the left side, and you chew it again, up and down. Don't get me wrong, you start to feel the burn here after a while, especially if you're chewing all day long, which is usually recommended. And that's cool, it's awesome, that's amazing. Now I'm gonna show you a different way to chew gum that will totally blow your mind because it sounds pretty crazy. So what you need to do is you take the gum after you chewed it up a little bit, and then you roll it into a ball with your tongue, right? See ya? I rolled that into a ball. I don't know if that's in focus. I did? Okay, cool. That's a ball. Now, you put it onto your tongue, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that ball, you're gonna take your tongue, and you're gonna push it onto the roof of your mouth, called the palate, and then you're gonna spread that ball into a nice thin pancake on the roof of your mouth. Now that motion, you're gonna see me do it. Should have your gum flat like this. It's flat. Nice and flat. Now that's one rep. That is considered one rep by turning the ball into a flat gum piece. That's one rep. Now you're gonna wanna do that for about 5 minutes. For beginners, it's gonna be very difficult. So that's why you should start with about 15 reps of that exercise. Because after a while, after like the 4th or 5th rep, you're gonna start to feel a massive burn on that mylohyoid muscle under here. Also, you're gonna feel some tongue fatigue and some masseter fatigue. Don't jump straight into 5 minutes. You cannot do that. It is like literally impossible. So take your time, start with low reps, and build your way up to having a more consistent time. Now you wanna do this in addition to mewing. This is not gonna replace mewing as a whole. This is something that's gonna help expedite the results as you mew along the line. All right, so now I showed you guys how to properly chew gum for optimum results with mewing. Now, like I said, I'll be dropping more videos more often, so make sure you smash that like button, that subscribe button, that little bell icon, you know, that little thing that helps you get notifications and stuff. I want you to hit those, all right? I want you to hit those, and I want to be there with you while you get to the beauty goals that you're looking forward to this year, next year, forever, all right? So stay tuned, big things on the way, and let's get these gains, baby.